Yeah, Scott, in terms of sort of the circus and the mystery surrounding this case that had so many different aspects, going back to the fact that the Murdaughs were fixtures in the Daily Mail and the gossip magazines even before the murders, because Paul Murdaugh had been driving a boat where a young woman was killed in, and there was all the issues surrounding that as well. Can the defense at some point make an argument going forward? There should have been a change of venue, even though they gave that up before trial.
Well, if they gave it up before trial and they didn't make the argument or the motion, usually you can protect your record by the court denying it. I don't think that happened in this case, and so this case is famous in getting this level of coverage because of the great irony. You know, America loves a story of the underdog rising to the top from nothing. Here, the Murdaughs were at the top, in control, rich, famous, powerful, if only in South Carolina. And then America also loves the decline, if you will, and how far a rich family or a powerful lawyer falls. It is stuff written about and it made movies about, and this case had all of it, if you will. And so I'm not surprised that the venue stayed where it was, but I'm also not surprised at the coverage. I am surprised, my colleague just said the weight of the evidence. I would say the weight of the circumstantial evidence, because I'm with Ashley. I thought that he may be a liar, he may be a drug addict, he may be many things, but they've got to make that leap to say he's a murderer. And I believe his admissions on the stand and the deprivation and his decline was too much for the jury to really fully consider and not to make that leap, if you will. It was just too much in 3.5 hours. By the way, I've sat on juries before, not criminal, but civil, and they're very deliberate. And this was 6 weeks of evidence, and they clearly didn't buy the credibility of the defendant. But that was his only shot, and they rejected it, and they rejected it pretty quickly.
Yeah, you think about what you have to assume someone is capable of to commit the crime that he is now convicted of, the depravity of emotion, of any humanness to blow away literally your wife and your son is sort of beyond the comprehension of almost any of us of what that would involve. Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.